close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Alright, all drained. This one's now good to go to the next oil change. Always drain it right before, just right after your oil changes, and that's the best time to do it.
And on
Alright, good morning YouTube world. Today we are going to be putting on a Billet Technology catch can onto the 392 Durango. So I went with the anodized purple, matte purple, to kind of match the theme. We're going with the color shift and the hydro dip that we've done.
finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Okay, I had to stop and watch the YouTube video on the placement of the bracket, the bolts for the bracket, so I've now got them in place right there.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Okay, catch can itself is mounted. Everything's good to go. Now I've added the double mill bar ends to one side of the hose. I have unsecured this part to bring it loose for the next step, and then remove that right there. So now we're good to go to start hooking the lines in. Okay, so after one shortfall, we were able to get this finished. So bolts are back in place. The lines for the hose are run through over here for this end and for that end. My concern, being that this is a 6.4 Durango, is the CPU cover does not fit back on there because clearly the catch can hoses are in the way. So my concern is, can this get wet? What's the issue going to be? Because right now this is sitting under that hole. So am I now just going to be daytime sunny weather driving it, or will this be okay? So leave me some comments if you've done this and you have this catch can on your 6.4 Durango, and just let me know what's going on. Appreciate it. Okay, so finished product, all done.